Okay, so say you have a model like this and you're doing the UVs and you're trying to, for example, do the UVs for the eyes, right? And in my case, I have like a template that I'm using to line them up. And this is the template and I'm using these lines here to line up my loops, right? So I spent like 20 minutes aligning these vertices over here on this side, and now they are perfectly on this red line here, right? But now I have to go ahead and do this on the other side too, and it's like all messed up and I have no idea what goes there, and like it's all fucked, right? So I've made a plugin to help me do this. It's free, you guys can grab it in Gumroad. I'll put the link in the description and I'll show you guys how it works. So first you have to find your loops that you're going to mirror, and it has to be a single loop. It doesn't mirror like the whole mesh, right? And of course both loops have to have the same number of vertices. And finally you need one vertex for reference, so the code knows where to start. For example, I'll pick this one over here. If I deselect and reselect, it makes this active, and this is important for the algorithm, right? And I can't see here that it's active, but I can see it here in the viewport. So it's this one, right? This is active. And then I have to find the equivalent vertex on this side, which in my case is kind of hard to do because my model is not symmetrical. Like, it's topologically symmetrical, but it's not deformed symmetrically, right? But I can easily do this if I select this loop here. It goes all the way around to this side. So I know that the vertex that I'm looking for is this one right here, right? So for this side, this is going to have to be the active one. And there is one more thing that the algorithm needs, and it's to know the direction, because this is ambiguous, right? How do you know what is left and what is right here, right? And the way it does this is by looking at the neighbors. So we have one vertex here and one vertex here. They are neighbors to this one, and then one vertex here and one here are neighbors to this one, right? And using these neighbors, I'm going to find out a clockwise direction here and a counterclockwise direction here. And this won't be done here in the 3D viewport. This happens here, right? And the way it happens is like this. So this is the active. It's going to look for the one in the right and use this direction. So let's say both of them are to the right like this. It's not going to work. You're going to have to find a different point of reference. So like this one, right? So again, this is my point of reference. It's going to find the one to the right, and then this direction clockwise like this is going to be chosen. And on the other side, it's going to pick the vertex to the left and see the direction. And in my case, here's my loop. It's all messed up, right? If I deselect this, I'll see which one it is here, and it's this one. It's this one right here, right? And the problem is the one to the left of this goes down, goes clockwise, and this is not correct. It has to go counterclockwise, right? The opposite of the other one. So in order to fix this, all I have to do is see this is the active, right? I'll just move this one to the left, and I'll just move this one to the right. So now when the code runs, it's going to see this is the active, this one is to the left, this is the direction. And then it's going to run correctly. It sounds complicated, but really it isn't. The code just needs a pointer reference and a direction, that's all. And if you choose it wrong, you're gonna see that the thing is mirrored backwards, so you can just do the other one and it will work, right? So let's actually run this to show you guys. I'll select this. This is my reference, so I use shift click, deselect, reselect. This makes this one active. Of course, to the right is this one. This will be used to find the direction. You don't have to do anything, just know that it's there, right? This is my tool here, Mirror UV Loop. Everything that I'm saying works on Y as well, but instead of left, right, it's up and down, right? But it's all the same. But I'm doing X mirroring now, right? So just click Copy UVs, select the second loop, find the active, deselect, reselect, click Paste Mirrored. And there we go, it's mirrored perfectly the way this one is. And note that it's not messing with the vertices around it, so you have to like use the relax tool to fix them, right? And I'll just align them to my template over here. There you go. And now it's just a matter of doing this relax thing to fix everything around it. And you know, it takes a little while, but the way that I'm doing this is to find a ring that I want, and then an inner ring like this, which is like this one, so I can like mirror this on that side the same way that I just did, and then relax everything in between, right? Anyway, that's how the mirror tool works. It's free, go grab it in Gumroad. I'll put the link in the description. And that's it, bye bye.